Hey, what's up, everybody? Matt here. Just want to show you guys how I make my world famous tuck juice, the morning green drink to start your day and feel all good and healthy. So yeah, check it out. All right, so check it out. So what we got over here, we got our kale. So we got about two, I guess, stalks of that. I don't know if that's the correct term or not. Uh, and then we got about a handful of spinach, and then we got some already chopped up celery. I had some extra from Buffalo Wild Wings, and then we got, this is a bowl full of frozen mixed berries. It's probably like a cup and a half worth. And over here in our blender, we already got our water in there. We got 32 ounces. So I already rinsed off everything just for the sake of time. So we'll just add this straight in there. So you want to put, the stuff that's going to be tougher to blend to the bottom first. All right, so just going to throw that in there. I'm using the good old Ninja, by the way, so it's not too big of a deal because it's a high quality blender. But if you got one of these those old school like grandma blenders, make sure to put the tougher stuff at the end for sure. We'll just put that in there. And the idea with this is now I'm not adding any type of milk or yogurt to it because I want it to have like that juice type consistency. What's cool I like about this blender, so just put it on like that. You line up the arrows. This locks in there like that, and then so you put it on here and you twist it. Power button, and then I'm gonna put it on smoothie, and then just let that go. And you're good to go. And then this will show you the consistency of it. So not super thick like a smoothie, but I mean it's not super thin like a juice, but it's kind of in between. So I call it my tuck juice. You can scale back the kale too if you want it on the thinner side. And then one thing too that you can add, it's optional, some extra ice. Some people they don't like veggies, so the colder it is, it makes it easier. I didn't really add any because the berries were already frozen, but up to you. So cool. Let me know what you guys think of that. Also, if you want to get a Ninja, I'm not sponsored by them, but I'll put my Amazon affiliate link to get a Ninja down below. And yeah, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends.